I haven't made a video in a while, but I just went to the store and I want to show you all my new fidget spinners that I bought. This one is a gold one. I like it better, except if you spin it and hold it upside down, it falls over. This one, it's all metal, painted gold. If you look really close, if you can see it, it has sparkles in it. I didn't know that until I got it. This one is just a two-sided one. Doesn't spin very well. I like it. It's lighter than that other one, but the other one spins faster and longer. At the Paradise Market store, they were only $10. Go away. Okay, I just dropped it. And for my birthday, I got a hoverboard.
His room's messy.
Shut up. And I don't know how long it'll be till my last video. So, because I don't really video anymore. Like, no you didn't. It's supposed to be like that.
These are for your hoverboards.
I know.
They go on that.
Oh, I know. Okay, so sorry for that. My sister was just annoying me.
Go check out my channel at Cadence Rogers, and
You know you can change your name, right?
yeah.
Mine's Darian Dog.
Oh my gosh. So subscribe to his channel and mine. So bye.
All of my subscribers.
Tell them to subscribe.
If you would be nice and subscribe to my sister's channel. And
I have cool videos.
Shut up. And the reason I changed my name to Dare Dog is because in the comments below, you can tell me a dare and I will do it. Unless it's like super extreme, like jumping off a bridge into a river with no bungee cord. Alright, well, bye. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and put a like on the video.